Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to link an Instagram account to your TikTok. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, and you won't want to miss that. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open the TikTok app. It opens up in the home menu, showing funny videos, but we have to go into the profile menu. Here in the profile, as you can see, there's an edit profile option, a button. We tap on that. Here we can do multiple things, but this is what interests us, the social part. Here we tap on Instagram, add an Instagram account, and here you just enter your phone or username or email, enter your password, and log in, and then your Instagram is linked to your TikTok. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one.